Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the elements in a Harvia Cilindro sauna heater. First, make sure you turn off the breaker, the main power source for the heater, for safety. Then, remove all of the stones from the heater. Lay it down. Next, remove the bottom base plate from the heater. Once you've done that, there's going to be 6 screws on the main plate. Remove those 6 screws and lay the plate aside. As you can see, now you can get to the bottom of your elements. It's important to know which wire goes to which clip. So I would suggest taking one element out at a time and then replacing the wire, go to the next element. Once you have removed the wires, you will see there's a screw right in the center. Once you have taken the screw out, you can then pull the element from the top of the heater. Keep in mind, once you take the wires off of an element, make sure you keep them together in some sort of way so you know which wires go back to which element. We're using a piece of tape just to keep these two together. Then you go to your next element, take the screw out of the center of the bracket, piece of tape, put these two together. You are going to repeat this step for all 3 coils. Now that we have removed the assembly, keep in mind that there's a small tab at the bottom of each one. You have to lift the element over to clear. Then it simply pulls right out. Now you're ready to install your new element. And to reinsert, you simply put the center loop through the first 2, and then all 3 will go into the back slots. Then you lift up on the element to put it back over the lip. Now, once you have your elements installed, you can replace the entire assembly back into the unit. Now that your elements have been replaced, housing has been put back in, screws are in, now all you have to do is reattach the wiring, the base plate, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to call us at the Sauna Place or visit us at saunaplace.com.